When you have the sniffles, where do you want to go? What do you feel like seeing? The sniffles can affect you in many ways. Snifflex can help. Snifflex is a prescription that treats many symptoms of the sniffles. Tell your doctor right away if your sniffles get worse, you have unusual changes in behavior, or thoughts of suicide. Snifflex is not approved for children under 19. Severe liver problems, some fatal, were reported. Side effects include nausea, dry mouth, or constipation. Please tell your doctor if you have uncontrollable muscle movements, as this can be permanent. In some cases extreme, high blood sugar can lead to coma or death. Other risks include dizziness upon standing, decrease in white blood cells, which can be serious, seizures, impaired judgment and motor skills, panic attacks, increased thirst, blurred vision, or trouble swallowing.
Snifflex works for me. Snifflex works for me.
Snifflex works for me.